name is Rick, and in this video we'll go over our 6th blues solo from the pentatonic scale guitar solo trainer. So let's go to page 12 and also take out your fretboard chart and pattern shape number 4. Today we're going to play a key change. You may want to review video 2 to understand what a key is. So our new key will be the key of E. That means our first chord will be an E7. That makes our root note an E. That's right. I did want to show you something with the patterns. Now, if you wanted to play starting here at the nut and move your solo up the neck, pattern shape number 1 does not work anymore for this key. So we have to use pattern shape 4 in order to start at the nut. So let's line up our root notes on E's, and that gives us an area from the open strings to the 3rd fret to play a solo. Now you can play all of the notes or just a few, and in our case we're just going to use 5 notes in the white box. So let's locate those notes. On string 1, the thinnest string, we have an E and a G. On string 2, we have a B and a D. On string 3, just an A. Practice those a few times and we'll go to track 20 and play our 6th blues solo. Ready for this? We'll listen for the 4 counts and then we'll begin. Two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, very good. And there you have it, our first key change to the key of E. In our next video, we'll move up the fretboard slightly using pattern shape 5 on E root notes. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next video. Bye for now.